This is a step-by-step tutorial covering the installation of a GE with a newer GE microwave. Be sure before purchasing your new microwave, it will fit your current cutout. Remove front access panel. Remove the foil tape from the transition duct. Lift off transition duct from vent louver. Recommended to perform this step with 2 people. Remove top 2 mounting screws. Microwave will be held in by the bottom wall mounting bracket, which the microwave is removed by lifting up and out. Cut along dotted lines. Find the middle of your cutout and mark. Keep in mind where the front overhang is. The top of the mounting bracket on the wall should be flush with the front overhang. In my case, a block was placed to fill in the recessed gap. 15-inch deep cabinets require a bump-out kit. Part number JX15BUMP. Center line of the wall template lines up with the center line previously marked on the wall. Because I'm replacing a GE for a GE, the wall mounting brackets are the same. I'm performing this step for those that don't already have it. Points A and B on the template are mounting locations. It is recommended to secure bracket to at least one stud using appropriate anchors. This is one of the best stud finders I've used. It's very easily illustrated where the stud is. Link to the stud finder will be in the descriptions. Be cautious when the stud finder electrical symbol illuminates. Electrical could be behind wall when drilling. Helpful to secure ducting up with temporary screw. This allows no interference when mounting microwave. Cut a long line on rear wall template. Drill on drill indicated marks. Insert louver and secure to microwave with included screws. Bottom of the microwave has openings that insert into the wall mount. Once inserted, it can be pivoted into position. Use self-adjusting screws that came inside the hardware kit to secure upper mounting supports through previously drilled openings. Remove temporary screw. Use foil tape to secure a round opening. For a cleaner look, I'm drilling through access cover siding to be more accessible to outlet. Thanks for watching.